These are my two beautiful eclectuses, Lola, and the new one is Romeo. The green one's the boy, and the red and burgundy is Lola. She's the girl. And eclectuses are my favorite parrots. I think they're just the most beautiful parrots. Although there are a lot of other ones. Right, Lola? And these are my pride and joy. I just added Romeo because good for Lola. She's been lonely. It's been a while for me to find. Took a while to find Romeo. Not too many Eclectus breeders, especially good Eclectus breeders around here. So at least that I know. So it took me a while, and yeah, price was a factor. They're pretty expensive birds, but they are beautiful. And let's see. Lola, you want to come step up? You want to come? Come, step up. I know you're wary of the camera. Good girl, good girl, good girl. She's a beauty. I think the female species is just wow in Eclectus. And of course, Romeo, you're looking for attention now. He's a good boy too. Come, step up. I haven't had him very long, but he's pretty good. He's learning. Not as friendly and trained as Lola, but he's pretty good. Hey, that hurts a little bit. Come, come. Good job, good job. This is Romeo. Beautiful. You can see his beak still has some black. And that means that he's not an adult. It means he's a baby. He'll lose that. And his beak will have a different shape as he ages. Come, go. They do get jealous sometimes. Yep. But for the most part, they're pretty good. They're pretty good, and I see Lola's a lot happier. She needs more companionship now. I'm busier than I was, and it was always the plan. It was always the plan to have two. And I do have them outside a lot. A lot. I leave them on this tree sometimes for hours. For the most part, these two are very friendly. Very friendly. They're good. They get along with each other, but they have their little quarrels and combats, but nothing really serious. It's just Romeo's trying to now assert himself, just like right there, but then Lolo'll teach him who's boss. They're just beautiful. They could stay out here all day, as long as the sun is not beating on them. It's not too hot now, but yeah, when it's too hot, I put them in a different spot, out of direct sunlight. But this is good for them to get a little bit of sunlight. I try to do this every day that the weather permits. It's not always possible because of my schedule, but they get a lot of days outside. A lot of days. Come step up, Lola. Come. Good girl. Good girl. Lola, she trusts me. She trusts me a lot. It's been almost 7 years, right, baby? Almost 7 years. We've been together. We've had a few rough times, but you know what? It's all been worth it. It's all been worth it, and it's getting better. I find there was maybe a 6 month period that she was a little off. That was probably when she reached sexual maturity, but since then she's been pretty good. Been pretty good. I'm gonna try something. I am gonna try something with her. Come, Lola. I'm gonna. So yeah, that's how much trust, right, Lola? You're a good girl. You're a good girl. And come, flip over. That a girl. That a girl. Come, you're gonna give me a kiss? You gonna give me a kiss? Kiss. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Okay. Stay there. This was always my dream. To have a couple of parrots on that tree. I planted that tree. Man, I said one day I'll have a couple of parrots on it, and the dream has come true. This year that is fulfilled. And this is my view from the living room. Yeah. And it's awesome. It's something that, again, it's a culmination of many years it took to grow that tree, many years to get Lola, and now to put Romeo there. Man, it's a dream come true. Hey, Lola and Romeo. Well, it's starting to get dark. The sun has pretty much is setting, and yeah, it's starting to get dark here. So time for me to get you guys in. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye, everyone.